maybe like 3 videos before I posted my first video. Then when I posted my first video, I got really drunk that night and I deleted it by accident. So I had to re-upload it. Can we get a house tour? My house is ass. Like nowhere near complete. Let me know if you want a house tour even though it's not even cute. Like... What's up, guys? So today we're having Wingstop. I'm getting kind of like sick, but I'm like totes ignoring it. I took a bunch of vitamin C, so hopefully that does something. I have carrots, celery, the corns, 3 ranches, mango habanero, I'm pretty sure this is. And then there's 2 new flavors. There's a ancho honey glaze and harissa lemon pepper. I think this is the lemon pepper. Yeah. I don't know what color is what. I don't really care. This is a spicy Korean, and then these are whatever they are. I already dipped this because I took a thumbnail. I think this is the harissa lemon pepper. Because see the big pieces of pepper? Ooh. These have been sitting, but they still have juices to them. Look, I think this is the ancho honey glaze. I really like that one. That one has a kick to it.
Oh yeah.
I'm drinking a sparkling water from Walmart. I really like the black cherry. These are all toasty and like Cajun flavors. So today I was all butthurt because Paks had a monster in one of our last videos. Like 2-3 videos back. That was not her monster. It wasn't her monster at all. But that child was like, she grabbed it from the counter. I was already sitting here. Can I open this and try it? I'm like, whatever, that's fine. I didn't know her friends buy monsters and take them to school. I don't buy monsters from her so she can take them to school. Like, I get people's concern, but I promise you, I don't allow her to drink monsters. She can have coffee within reason. But not a Monster, a Red Bull, or anything like that. What I think is stupid. How many people in high school did you see with Monsters or Red Bulls or whatever? A shitload. I'm not saying it's okay, but people coming at me like I allow it, and I don't. And now I know a lot of parents who allow way worse. So it's kind of irritating, but whatever. I'm over it now. It's almost as bad as the comment of how dare you dip your wings in ranch. But anyway, I'm fine. I had asked you guys for Instagram questions. Me and Pack did as many as we could, but my Instagram went down. So then when it went back up again, I still had questions. So I have the rest of those, so I'm going to do that. What kind of bear is best? Did they mean bear or beer? Because I don't know what they meant. If you say beer, I like Modelos. From Richie Poe, Ubitecates. How tall are you? I'm 4'11". Would you rather be able to smell, color, or taste music? I think taste music. What is Pac and Pumbaa's real name? Erica and Evelyn. When is Pumbaa gonna make a channel? She has a channel, she doesn't use it. That little girl doesn't even understand how many people love her and how well she would do and how much fun she would have. I think she's really shy, but hopefully she gets over it soon because I think Pac was still shy at that age. Do you get mad at your kids all the time? No more than any other parent. It's super windy outside, so if you can hear it, I'm sorry. Is Durf all the girls' dad? He's been with us for 10 years. He is the two little ones' biological father, but not Pac and Pooms. This one's like whatever. I'm going to try it again, but I think that one was better. Maybe because I like the wet ones more than the dry rubs. It's very peppery. Do you like living in Apple Valley? Yeah, I do. What state do you live in? I live in California. Do you have a favorite eyeshadow palette? It'll probably be the Naked Ultimate Basics or the Lorac Pro. But it's very dusty, like has a lot of kickback when you know? For eyeshadow, I definitely love Urban Decay. How many videos did you make before you published your first one? I'm scared to take the plunge. I used to make makeup videos, like hauls and junk. It was so dumb. I felt so uncomfortable. I felt like an idiot. But here I am eating on camera. Doesn't that seem way worse? I think it's like food. It's like I know food and I love it. And like makeup, I like it, but it's like not embarrassing. I don't know. Alright, who am I to tell you what kind of makeup to use? I know what I like. Doesn't mean that you're gonna like it. Now food, it's like, dude, I've tried this a million times. I love it. Try it, you know? So probably I made maybe 5 videos, and then I published those crap ones. Then I took them all down. Then I made maybe like 3 videos before I posted my first video. Then when I posted my first video, I got really drunk that night, and I deleted it by accident. So I had to re-upload it. What is something people wouldn't know just by looking at you? That I'm a mother of 4. Yeah. Or that I do YouTube. You wouldn't know that if you're just looking at me. And what kind of crappy little tiny corn is this? Where's Durf and Wine Wednesday? Durf is in school full time, so he's not home very much. And when he is, he's like studying and reading. Or if he is chilling, he's playing with the kids. He's hooking things up for them. He's outside. Takes them with the bikes. Like right now, he's doing his homework before he leaves to school. Can you do a Spanish video? That's the second one. I'm super embarrassed. Like, I can't. Like, I'm just like, I'm freaked out. Like, the Spanish speakers are going to be cringing and dying. What's your favorite thing to do with your family? Probably travel. Like, somewhere where the kids could go swimming, have fun like that. It's like a cruise or like Mexico. It's all be really done. Can we get a house tour? My house is ass. Like, it looks nice, but it's not, but like nowhere near complete. Like, the living room needs couches. I hate my couches. I want to like, I've threatened to throw them away so many times. And just buy bean bags because I can't with those. My kitchen needs a fridge. The only fully furnished, like, nice rooms are Pumbaa's and Paks. Literally. What's your sign? I'm a Leo. So after this, I'm going to go make it's like stuffed jalapenos, but they're like bacon wrapped. So it's not like poppers, but they're bacon wrapped jalapenos with cream cheese inside. I'm going to go prep those. And then go get wonton stuff to make like stuffed wontons. Does anyone have tape-in extensions? One right here got like tacky. And I Googled it. And it said because, you know how your hair, like when you wash your hair, like it's all sudsy? That's sulfates. So I need a shampoo and conditioner that has no sulfates. And not to condition the roots, which I don't anyway, but. So I'm going to go to Ulta right now and like pick their brains. I already Googled it and like did my research, but I need like a nice shampoo. But this one is really jacked up, so I don't know, like, do I go get it fixed? Do I... See, my lazy cheap ass will just go on Amazon and buy the little sticky strips if I can't figure it out. Let me know if you want a house tour, even though it's not even cute. Like in here, there's a bed, there's a dresser there, there's a dresser there. And then there's my wall with all the cards from you guys. I have an area rug on the ground just because all the food that falls, I was messing up the carpet. So we put like a zebra one that Pac didn't want anymore. So just like protect the carpet. I am having carpet cleaner dudes come. So maybe when I clean the house for that. But really, you're not missing anything. If you just want to be nosy, well, then I'm down. But, like, it's not cute. Like, we've never, like, furnished the house. I swear to God. These are not my favorite. I think I'll just eat these. Because this is my favorite. So I'll give these to Derv. I got 5 of each, but I know there was more. Like, they always do that. They give me extras. My day never ends, I swear. Like, today's a chill day. It's super windy and cold outside. It's beautiful. But I'm gonna go. I have to go to Ulta to get that shampoo. I have to do laundry. My camera is dying. Well, I was gonna eat that, but I'll just say bye right now. I'm wearing taupe underwear. Let me know the color of your chonies. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.